Hello everyone, I'm really excited to talk about this GOOLOO GT3000 which was sent to me to test and review. It's packed with some really nice features which I'm going to talk about. First off, this is something that is great to keep in your trunk, especially in the cooler months in case you need to jumpstart your car or someone else's. This is strong enough to start anything from small lawn tractors, boats, motorcycles to large trucks. Once charged, it has a 24-month standby, so charge it and keep it in your trunk for emergencies. Just so you know, this does not come with a wall charger, but you can easily charge it in your car through the cigarette lighter socket, and it does charge pretty fast. All you do is connect it in your car to the Type-C input port. It has a great looking design with a rubber overmolded shell, which is water resistant, and it is really very lightweight and small and portable. I really do like this since I have another bulkier jump starter which is heavier and harder to use. This, on the other hand, again is just nice and compact and easy to set up and connect. It is much more convenient than trying to set up jumper cables and reposition a car to get close to your car to jumpstart. It has a nice large LCD display so you always know how much power you have. And a special feature about this jump starter is even if you run out of battery, you only need to charge it for 3 minutes for it to be effective. In addition to it being used for jump starting, you can also use it as a battery bank. It includes 3 USB ports to charge any USB-A and Type-C devices like your phone, laptop, and camera if you're in a pinch. It also has a 15-volt 10-amp output port for things like tire inflators, car-type appliances like refrigerators, fans, and vacuums. Another feature is it has a flashlight, a strobe light, and an SOS light to use in case you need a work light, a light to alert others of your location, or to signal for help. I do really like this jump starter, and I'm excited to keep it in my car for all these types of uses. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.